Good morning, everyone. So first off, I just want to apologize for the lack of vlogs getting posted the past few days. The program that I was using was a trial program, and unfortunately that period has gone out, and so I've been trying to find a new editing software, and thanks to Cass, I actually have one. But this morning our goal is Yuki's vet appointment. She hasn't coughed. She didn't cough yesterday. She just simply didn't want to eat until later on last night. And she has yet to cough today. So hopefully it was just allergies, but we'll find out for sure here in a bit. So see you guys at the vet. So made it to the vet. Because of the fact that she might have kennel cough, we have to wait in the truck until they call us to a room, and then we'll get seen. And this is because they don't want to possibly spread what Yuki has if it's contagious. So yeah, Cass is already checking us in, and hopefully the wait's not too long. Yuki knows where we're at, though. Huh? Yuki, you ready to see your doctor? You ready to see your doctor? Yeah? So we got back into a exam room, and they've already gone and looked over Yuki, and sadly the vet highly suspects kennel cough or the canine flu. But
she's going to get doxycycline for the bacterial strain of the kennel cough, and she's also going to try and give her an antibronchial spasmodic thingamajig. That's what she was describing. It just basically to stop the coughing.
yeah.
Suppress it, not to stop it. So, but she's out for 2 weeks.
Yeah.
She's not gonna like that.
No, she is not. Yuki is the type of dog that loves going to work, and if she's not able to work, then
there is hell to pay.
Yeah, there is hell to pay.
But also our vet has started a indigent fund, which means if an emergency or she needs emergency treatment, we can get it
Yeah.
right then and there for little to nothing on us.
Yeah.
Still doesn't change my mind that we still need to get her insurance back up.
Yeah. And Yuki's just checking out the place. She hasn't been here since she got spayed, so she's like, there's a bunch of new scents, Mama.
Treats! Oh, treats!
Yeah. No, don't give her any.
Hypoallergenic.
I don't care. Don't give her any.
Fine. And you then too.
So anyway, just waiting for the vet to come back with her meds and stuff. So hopefully the recovery period doesn't take as long for Yuki as it does for other dogs, because she's quite the special snowflake. Aren't you, baby?
Special snowflake.
Aren't you, baby?
That's putting it lightly.
So, putting off cleaning the house for right now. Cass got a call, and so he has to go into work. I did not sleep very well last night, so while he's off doing that, Yuki and I are going to take a nap. Eating lunch, and a very tasty lunch at that, does not help how tired I feel right now. So, yeah. See you later. I'm up for my nap. I feel good. I'm going to get some coffee. And then I'm going to learn how to work the new editing software. So, and Cass is still not home. Okay. Alrighty, so little snag with the new software. It's having an issue with letting me put in the transitions that I want to do. So, yeah, I might have to just simply not do any transitions between the clips like the old ones were. But in other news, Cass is now home, so we're going to start cleaning. So hopefully we'll get this house clean. So yeah, later.
Can't go to work, I'm sorry. She's like, fine, fuck you, I'll just chew on my antler.
Yeah. My pretty girl. Yuki.
Did you already tell your bloggers that you got friggin' Kennel Cough?
Yeah, I already updated that bit. It's in a previous section. So, we got like the living room.
We got a lot accomplished.
Yeah, I mean, look at this. There's no more pile of trash right there. There's no more pile of trash here.
We're not going to let it get out of control like this again, or someone's going to end up with a boot in their ass.
I'm not going to be the only one cleaning this place.
No,
you know.
you're not.
I better not.
But you don't have boots, so.
Actually, I do.
Dad!
I got 2 pairs, remember?
Dad! I knew I should never got those things. I'm hyper. I'm tired.
Yeah, so next thing on the agenda is to
Buzz!
that too. But tomorrow we are going to be doing some laundry. We've already got another load of dishes going to clear that out. Basically all we really did was clean up the trash and put the dishes in the sink, and I went and, you know, basically picked stuff up.
Which one did I not like? The Jamaican Me Happy or Wild Berries?
I don't think you like the wild berry or the Jamaican Me Happy.
Hell, you took the one I like, some bitch.
Anyway, basically I went and swept everything into a pile, the small stuff into a pile that was trash, and Cass came up and vacuumed up each pile because we lost our dustpan again.
Lost. We just temporarily misplaced it somewhere.
Again, it's lost.
No. Lost makes it seem like we're never going to find it. Temporarily misplaced, we're going to find it. That is my logic. It's undeniable.
It's lost. And yeah. Last things that we plan to do for tonight are unload the current load of dishes that is currently going right now, and then I have to feed Yuki, and we have to have dinner. So with that, I'm going to say good night, and thanks for joining us today.
Farewell, auf Wiedersehen.